Hey, so it is early spring and I'm prepping some plants for the season. This is the porcupine grass and it gave some good winter interest while in the winter, but now it's growing in and I want to get rid of this old stuff before the new growth gets too tall because then it makes it harder to trim. Here are the flowers, which look really pretty throughout the winter, but now it's time to get rid of them. You can see there's new growth down here, so I know it's ready to be trimmed. You could also trim it in the fall, but first I'm going to get rid of all these leaves that have gathered throughout the winter. There's some sticks in here that fell from the trees. You can see that it's green down here. There it's green, but the brown stuff is never going to come back. It's never going to be green again. So it can just come off completely. Although the new growth does come from in between the blades. You can see right there, there's green. So I just cut a little bit of the new growth. That's why it's good to trim it before it starts growing in. This is totally new, although, yeah. I'm basically just shearing it. And it leaves these little stubs. There we go. And of course you could pick out every single little stick and leaf and all that, but it's not needed. There's a burr acorn. There's some new growth down there. And right there. One done, 2 to go. that's pretty much it. Just keep on cleaning up as much as you want. This is what happens when you shear it. You're cutting off the tips. But I don't think it will be that noticeable. This is an iris, so we're done. 1, 2, 3. And soon it will look like this. This looks good. Porcupine grass has flowers. And here's the porcupine grass, similar flower to the Japanese silver grass. I forget the name, but it looks like zebra grass. This is 3 clumps. Even this grass isn't looking nice.
I think it's because it got super cold. Oh, no, there's new ones at the bottom.
This is the porcupine grass. Yep, it needs to be trimmed. But I was hoping, see, look at the seed pods. This is what I wait for all year because I love the way they glow in the sunlight.